You know about the Warriors' 73-9 record. You know about the LeBron James greatness. But what if I told you the greatest NBA comeback wasn't just about stats? It was about heart, history, and a block that changed everything. This is the story you've never heard of. The stage was set for history. The Golden State Warriors, with the best regular season record ever, leading 3-1 in the 2016 NBA Finals, were just one win away from capturing the ultimate prize. But what happened next would go down in NBA history as one of the greatest comebacks the sport has ever seen. This is the story of how the Cleveland Cavaliers defied the odds and made history in the 2016 NBA Finals. It was June 2016 and the Golden State Warriors had dominated the season like no team before them. They had a historic 73-9 regular season record with MVP Stephen Curry leading the way. The Cleveland Cavaliers, however, were determined to stand in their way. LeBron James, who had already cemented his legacy as one of the game's greatest players, was determined to bring a championship to his home state of Ohio. But with the Warriors up 3-1 in the series, it looked like the Cavs' hopes were fading. Game 4 was a disaster for Cavaliers. They lost, and with it, their final hopes seemed to crumble. Down 3-1, no team had ever come back from such a deficit in the NBA Finals, and everyone counted them out. But what happened next? LeBron James happened. Game 5 at Quicken Loans Arena was a statement. LeBron dropped 41 points, leading the Cavs to an overwhelming win. He played like a man possessed, leaving everything on the floor. The Cavs were alive. They weren't going down without a fight. It was a 3-2 series. The Cavs had cut the Warriors' lead, but they still had a long way to go. Game 6. Back in Cleveland was a chance to force a Game 7, and the Cavaliers came out hot. LeBron James and Kyrie Irving were playing with fire. Together, they pushed the Cavs to 115-101 win. LeBron posted another incredible 41 points, dominating at both ends of the floor, but it was Kyrie Irving's play that stunned everyone. With just 53 seconds left in the game, Kyrie hit an insane three-pointer over the outstretched arm of Stephen Curry to give the Cavs a 113-109 lead. And then, it all came down to one game, the 2016 NBA Finals Game 7. The Warriors, once on the brink of history, were now in a battle for survival. The Cavaliers had done the unthinkable. They had come back from a deficit 3-1, but could they finish the job? In the final minutes, with the score tied at 89, the NBA Finals came down to one pivotal moment. LeBron James, known for his clutch performances, made the play of the series. He chased down Andre Iguodala, blocking his shot against the backboard, a moment that would ever be etched into NBA history. That block, one of the most iconic plays ever, helped preserve the tie and gave the Cavs a chance to win. With less than a minute left, Kyrie Irving hit a three-pointer over Stephen Curry to give the Cavs a 92-89 lead, and just like that, the Cavaliers were on the verge of making history. The Warriors couldn't recover. With the final buzzer, the Cleveland Cavaliers were NBA champions for the very first time in franchise history. LeBron James was named Finals MVP after averaging 29.7 points, 11.3 rebounds, and 8.9 assists per game. It was a moment of triumph, not just for LeBron, but for an entire city that had waited 52 years for a championship. The 2016 NBA Finals will forever be remembered as the series where the impossible happened. A team down 3-1, led by a legendary player, defied history and brought a championship to Cleveland. So, what do you think? Is this the greatest comeback in the NBA history? Or is there another moment that tops it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love epic basketball stories, don't forget to subscribe for more legendary moments. Until next time, keep dreaming big and never give up on the comebacks. You know about the Warriors 73 and 9 record. You know about the LeBron James greatness. But what if I told you the greatest NBA comeback wasn't just about stats? It was about heart, history, and a block that changed everything. This is the story you've never heard of.